Pesto pasta recipe. Add 3 cups fresh basil in a food processor. Add half cup walnuts. Add 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds. Blend it. I added the basil in batches. Add 1 teaspoon freshly ground pepper. Add juice of 1 lemon. Add 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add salt per taste. Blend for 1 to 2 minutes. I added 2 cubes of Amul cheese. Blend one last time. Cut 1 zucchini. Cut 100 grams of broccoli. Boil the pasta based on the instructions on the packet. I have used Pink Harvest Farm's 100% mung and edamame spaghetti. While it is boiling, stir-fry broccoli and zucchini with salt, pepper and sugar. I have used only 1 tablespoon oil. Add the broccoli. Add the cut zucchini. Add salt per taste. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground pepper. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and stir fry for 5 minutes. Remove and keep aside. Spaghetti is ready. In the same pan, add the cooked spaghetti. Add the pasta sauce. Toss using tongs. This helps in keeping the spaghetti nice and long without breaking it. Add 3 tablespoons black olives. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Serve it in a bowl using tongs. Add a few black olives. Garnish with 3 fresh basil. Serve hot. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.